Hello class, greetings, welcome to today's lesson. The title of today's lesson is Present Simple Video 3. This is a story about Abdul Halim's daily routine. Today's date is Friday the 16th of October 2020. Abdul Halim. Abdul Halim is a man who lives at home with his wife, Sarah, and 4 children. He lives in Scotland and works as a dentist. This is the story of a day in his life. Abdul Halim's daily routine. On work days, Abdul Halim wakes up at 6:30 a.m. He has a wash at 6:45 a.m. After that, he gets dressed and at 7:30 a.m. he has breakfast. He usually has cornflakes, toast and tea. He drives to work in his car and arrives at 8:45 a.m. He has appointments in the morning until lunchtime. Lunchtime at work is from 12:30 until 1:30. In the afternoon he studies. He normally arrives home at 6:30 p.m. Sarah, Abdul Halim and the children have dinner at 7 p.m. In the evening, Abdul Halim watches TV or meets his friends. They talk about their plans for the weekend. Questions. What time does Abdul Halim wake up? Number 2. What time does he have a wash? Number 3. When does he have his breakfast? Number 4. What does he have for breakfast? Question 5. When does he arrive at work? Question 6. What time does he have lunch? Number 7. When does he arrive home? Number 8. Who does he have dinner with? And number 9, the last question, what time does he have dinner? So class, please read through these slides again. Write down Abdul Halim's story, his daily routine, in your book. Remember, please, to write the title, underline it, write the date, underline the date, and write out the questions and write out the answers. Please remember to use a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence and a full stop at the end of the sentence. Until next time, thank you for watching.